This lesson is for Thursday, Planning the Meal, pages 19 and 20. Planning the desserts. For dessert, Mom says that ice cream and fruit salad are a must. And I just have to stop and say that Mom is pretty picky right now. It seems like she has an opinion about every single thing. Choose one of the other 3 dessert options. Buy enough for everyone to have 1 serving of each. You decide to calculate how much each dessert item would cost if you decided to serve it at the barbecue. Remember, you need 1 serving per person. So here are your items, the number of servings needed, the quantity of cartons, boxes, etc. to buy. Be sure to include the correct label based on how the item is sold, and the total cost. Write the total cost of the other 3 dessert options, cherry pie, cupcakes, cake, in order from least to most expensive. From least to most expensive. How much money would you save by choosing the least expensive instead of the most expensive dessert option of those 3? Because you're on a budget, you decide to choose the least expensive dessert item. What is the total cost of the desserts purchased? If everyone eats dessert as planned, how many servings of each of the desserts you bought will be left over at the end of the barbecue? Servings of ice cream, servings of fruit salad, and servings of the dessert you chose. Then planning the drinks. Dad says to buy enough juice for every child to have 1 serving. Buy enough soda for every adult to have 2 servings. Buy enough water for every child to have 1 water bottle and every adult to have 2 water bottles. And here's the space for each. How many servings do you need? The quantity of packs, bottles, etc. to buy, and the total cost. What is the total cost of the drinks? If everyone drinks as planned, how much of each drink you bought will be left over at the end of the barbecue? How many water bottles left over? How many servings of soda will you have left? And how many servings of juice will you have left?